Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and welcome to day 9 of my 12 days of Christmas tags. And today we're going to make another tag, and this one I'm going to kind of go with maybe like a vintage feel, because I definitely want to use this. So I found some papers that I think would work good with it. So I already cut out all my tags, and again I'm using the Crealies dies. So let's get started. So this one's going to be a little different. So let's go ahead and get this guy glued down. And go ahead and glue Santa right down there. And again, these are just papers from my stash. It's a very old paper pad. So on this one here, what I want to do is I was thinking of slicing into this and then having this tag have Santa kind of peeking out. So I just have to figure out where I need to cut him. So I put him down like this, and then I want to put this right down here in the corner like that. So I want Santa kind of peeking out. So I need to make a little mark as to where I need to cut it. So I'm going to cut from here to here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. I could use a ruler, but I'm just going to go ahead and hopefully just kind of slice even. And cool. There we go. So I put a little slice in that. Now I want to make sure when I glue this down, because I need to be able to get the card behind this spot here, but when you flip it over, you don't want to like mess up. So I'm going to just make some marks on the back so I know where not to glue. So when I put my glue on, I don't want to get in this area right here, because that's where Santa should be peeking through, just like that. So actually, I just need to come over just a little more. So just like that. So now you see I made my marks, and I know not to put any glue where I put the pencil lines. So let's go ahead and stick that down. And I do want to make sure the other side that I do have glue on that part. It should be good. And again, I am using the art glitter glue in here. Sure it's glued down. Make sure Santa slides in there. Perfect. And I do need to erase my pencil marks. Okay. And there he is like that. Then I figured, where's my, I still had another little wreath left over. So I figured I was going to add that to the top. And again, a little extra glue, because they're definitely old stickers. Put right in the center. Just like that. And then I want to hot glue down this guy. Oops. So it's nice and stuck down there. Pretty. And then we're just going to pop Santa right in there, just like he's peeking. Super cute. kind of simple. I almost think I feel like I need some sparkle right here. So let me find my stickers. So I think it needs a little more glitter. And of course this is the one that didn't work. Let's try this one. Okay. So just think it needs a little more sparkle. Perfect. Although I don't think you can see it that well on the camera. No, it's not showing. Anyway, it looks better in person, so trust me. Anyway, there is now day 9 of my Christmas tags. And Santa just pops in and out, just like that. Anyway, thank you for stopping by, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe. And until tomorrow, we'll be on day 10, and I'll see you then. All right, guys, happy crafting. Bye.